Good day mga crypto gamer. Today I'm sharing with Pixel Top Daily Combo for July 23, 2024. Let's proceed. Pixel Top Daily Combo worth 10 million. And then the first one, which is C Alien Robots. And then the second one, which is the Brother Robots. Yan. And then the third one, which is yan, on air robot. Yan, no fit. And then the fourth, which is si boxer robot na green. Let's check. Let's go. Nakuha natin yung fourth daily combo card for July 23, 2024. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.